Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wonder why you owe federal taxes at the end of the year, even when you claim zero on your W-4 form? It's a super common and frustrating situation, so let's break down what's really happening. The biggest misconception is thinking that claiming zero means you won't owe any tax. That's not what it does. Claiming zero allowances simply tells your employer to withhold the maximum amount of tax possible from each paycheck for that specific job. Think of your W-4 form as an instruction manual for your employer, not a final statement to the IRS. It's an estimate. Your paychecks throughout the year are like making prepayments on a big, annual bill. The final bill is your tax return, which you file once a year. That tax return, your Form 1040, is where you calculate your actual, total tax liability for the entire year based on all your income and your eligibility for various deductions and credits. So, why would you still owe? There are a few key reasons. First, and most commonly, is other income. Did you have a side hustle, do some freelance work, sell some stocks, or earn interest from a savings account? That's all taxable income, and typically, no taxes were withheld from it. So when you file your return, the tax owed on that extra income gets added to your total bill, and the withholding from your main job might not be enough to cover it. Second, having multiple jobs can cause this. This applies if you work 2 jobs, or if you're married and filing jointly and you both work. Each job's payroll system only knows about that one job. It withholds taxes based on that single income stream. But when you combine both incomes on your tax return, it can push you into a higher tax bracket, meaning your total tax rate is higher than what each individual job was withholding for. The W-4 form has a section to account for multiple jobs, but it's often overlooked or filled out incorrectly. A third reason is a change in your life circumstances. If a child aged out of being a dependent, you got divorced, or you no longer qualify for a certain tax credit you received last year, your total tax liability for the year will be higher. If you didn't update your W-4 form to reflect these changes, your withholding would be based on old, outdated information, leading to underpayment. So remember, claiming zero is a conservative strategy to maximize withholding from one paycheck, but it's not a magic shield against owing taxes. It can account for outside income or complex financial situations on its own. The best thing you can do is use the IRS's official tax withholding estimator tool online. It will walk you through all your income sources and help you fill out your W-4 accurately to avoid any nasty surprises next tax season. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward answers to your money questions.